23, she left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me.
Yo, what's going on, guys? How are you? Welcome to the stream, man. Thank you guys for checking it out. Sorry, I was just drinking some water.
I lost my best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. The gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell instead of death, but I keep fighting with the
It's called 2023 by Diamond Eyes.
where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me from
Wallpaper. I honestly don't even remember where I got it from. Or I mean, I got it from Pexels, but I don't remember the actual wallpaper itself. I'm gonna see if I can find it later. Actually, I think I got it. Honestly, I actually really fucking like this background. This background is really fucking good. Like, it's actually really good. Look at that nice body of water over there. Let me see if I can find it on Pexels real quick. Can't seem to find it right now. But if you just go to Pexels Mountain, dude, the UI you got going on looks clean. Yo, I appreciate it, man. Yo, Do Het Gyeoon, how are you? Are you Dutch? That seems like a Dutch name. Oh, can you link it? Can you link it? Dude, do you even sleep? Yeah, I slept at 10 p.m. And I woke up pretty early today. I woke up at like 1:30 a.m. I was supposed to wake up at 4. I woke up at 1:30. So I only got like a couple hours sleep. So I might nap later today on my break from work. But I hate waking up before the time that I'm actually supposed to wake up. It sucks. Because then I just feel super tired. I don't know if I can speak for Anson Besfeld design. Say that I sleep. Yo, Honey Buttery, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Vladlin456, how are you? What's up? What's the name of the bot? There's no name yet. We're working on it though. How many hours do I usually sleep? 6 to 7. But my sleep schedule's been pretty messed up because I just had surgery about 2 weeks ago, and I was in recovery mode. So it takes me a good couple days to actually readjust my entire sleep cycle. Whenever I am super sleep deprived, it takes me about, I would say maybe 3 or 4 days to really get used to the original sleep cycle again. Because when you go for like a whole day without sleeping and then you sleep the next day, you end up getting what's called sleep debt. And that's what happened to me yesterday. The day before, I think I was awake for the whole day. Didn't sleep at all because I was really tired. And so I fell asleep at 10 and I woke up at 4 easily, but then I was very tired when I woke up. Unique photo delay. Thank you, Leonard. Do I only know JavaScript? No, I know a couple other languages. I had wisdom teeth surgery. Yo, Alchemy, no problem, man. What's more important is that you're here right now with us. That's all that matters. I do have a tutorial of custom prefixes. It's part of my multi-guild Discord bot series. It's part of my multi-guild Discord bot series. Yo, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I need to go get searched. Good luck with that, man. Alright, let me start up the project. Russia? Damn, man. Long. It's far. Very far. Alright, so yesterday, before I ended the stream, we were working on this UI on the webpage. So that's where we're gonna continue with today. I'm very happy with how it ended up looking, so I'm very excited. Yeah. Waiting for the React app to open up. I was thinking about streaming on Twitch today. Should I stream? Should I open up a second stream on Twitch? I don't know if I should. I was thinking about streaming on Twitch though. I really want to start streaming on Twitch, but majority of the people wanted me to stream on YouTube. So I definitely don't want to stop that. But I think I might do a multi-stream maybe. What do you guys think? I could stream on both. I could open up. I have OBS opened up right now, as you can see right down here. And I can stream on both. I don't know. I don't know if I really should though. I think that'd be pretty cool, but you know what? Yeah, fuck it. Let me stream on both. Fuck it. Who cares? Right? Who cares? I think it'd be pretty awesome. But I do like Twitch a lot better for streaming though, because they have so many cool stuff there, especially the panels to show like stats and everything. I think those are sick. Yeah, I know about that. How to join the Discord server? The link is in the description. Yeah, I heard about that. Alright, I'm gonna try to stream on Twitch now. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully I don't fail. Let me get my stream key. This will be my first time streaming on Twitch for like the first time in many years. One, two, three. Oh, let me just make sure there's no delay either. Three. I hate delay so much. It's not, delay is good if you're playing video games and you don't want to get stream sniped. But for like interactive chats and stuff, I don't think they're streaming 10,000 kilobits. This is gonna probably kill my fucking internet. I mean, I have a gigabit internet anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it's probably gonna use up so much fucking bandwidth and shit. All right, start streaming. All right, hopefully this works out well. I don't know. Yeah, we're running it locally right now. It's not deployed yet. Cross chatbot for Twitch and YouTube. I don't know. Let me see. Am I even live right now? Okay, I think I'm live. I think I'm live right now. It said I was live for. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, the fucking air conditioner sound is so fucking bad. Holy shit. It's so bad. I'm like my only viewer right now on Twitch, but it looks so much cooler though than YouTube. If you guys want to watch on Twitch, here's the link. There's the link. In the link is there. Help me get to 500 followers. So that's coming from directly. I'm using OBS for that. Let me check my CPU usage. I'm still at 72% usage right now. I mean, that's because I'm not really playing games. I'm only coding, so I'm not expecting it to use up so much. You know, so much resources. Someone just joined and they got auto muted for anti-raid. What the hell? That is weird. I think we're getting raided low key. Are we getting raided? Yo, I think we're getting raided. Yo, what's going on, guys? You're under the Overwatch category. Yeah, I know. The last time I was streaming, I was streaming Overwatch. Yo, Leonardo, what's up, man? I do have an automatic role. What we have is we have a system right now that you have to do approve, but I'm too lazy to do, you know, approve ID. We have auto roll, but the reason why we don't do auto rolls is because of raids. We got raided yesterday, and I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna get raided again later this week. So yeah. Let me edit my Twitch stream real quick. I don't want to spend too much time. What should I put? Programming, science and technology. I'll put science and technology. 4 AM program stream. And search tags. Let's do programming, web development, coding. All right. Well, I think it should be good. All right. Whatever. Cool. In what continent is Spain? A question I asked many people. Spain is 100% in South America. Spain is in South America. OQ Esports, how are you? Watch someone clip that and actually I think Spain is in South America. Yeah, I know Spain's not in South America. Trust me, I'm not that stupid. Nah, I know. I'm just kidding. Just a joke. Nah, Spain is in Asia. Spain's in Asia. Iraq is in the United States. No, I'm just kidding. It's in the Middle East. You guys are trying to test my geography. I know my geography. Don't worry. I know my geography. Don't worry. Alright, hold on, let me change the filter on this shit on Twitch, on OBS. Because the filters. Okay, there we go, should be better. The mic on Twitch should be a lot better now. Hopefully. Awesome. Czechoslovakia? Czechoslovakia is in Europe. Dude, you still streaming? I just started streaming. I just started streaming and yeah, we are about to get into the code. So I'm pretty excited. Czechoslovakia? Do I read Twitch chat? Yeah, I have both chats open right now, but you guys can chat on both and I'll read both of them, don't worry. Let me actually do this. I'm gonna set up my windows. I have a second monitor. I have a second ultra wide monitor where I can see both chats. So if you want to chat on Twitch, you can. If you want to chat on YouTube, you can. You're like such a pro, and I don't have a clue on how to get UDE, users PFP. I mean, I don't know. It comes and goes. You know what I mean? Like it takes some time to get used to it. Tell me 5 countries of America. So the 5 countries of America, let's see. We got Madagascar, we got Nigeria, we got South Africa, we have Australia, and then what's the last one? Singapore. Did you guys know? Did you guys know that Australia is a continent? How's it going with pandemic, by the way? Oh, it's going alright. I mean, we're good in New York right now. Like our cases are just flattening out. Like if you look at you look at the cases here. The cases here are not even as bad now. Like look at California. California is going to pass New York in like about 3 or 4 days. Florida is definitely going to pass New York soon. Florida's been going up by 10,000 cases every single day. Texas is also going to pass New York soon. New Jersey, nah, not New Jersey. Illinois, nah, either. Yeah, New York was once the worst place to be for COVID-19, but now it's probably one of the safest places right now because we've been doing so much testing and, we've been following a lot of good protocols. But I mean, I don't know about now because with all the riots and shit that were going on here in America, yeah, there's like the crime rate has skyrocketed. Crime rate has skyrocketed here. So it's not even safe to go outside right now. Is it possible to connect a bot to YouTube or Twitch chat? Yes, it's possible. You need both AP. There's a COVID bot? I'm pretty sure there is. I wouldn't doubt it. Okay. Alright, let's see. Can you make a tutorial of all this? I'll make a tutorial if you agree with me that Spain is in South America. Or you think that Spain should be in South America. I think Spain and what is it? Which country do you think should swap places? Spain should swap places with Venezuela? Like you should just move all of the people in Spain to Venezuela and then all the Venezuelan people to Spain. Maybe move Italy too. Please make a web dashboard tutorial. Yeah, please. I will, don't worry. Spain is in Orlando. Alright, now the real question is, where is North America? Is the dashboard going to be public on your GitHub? I'm not sure. The reason why I don't give out code anymore is because many people come to me with a lot of these issues that I just cannot debug for them because they just copy and paste the code. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a separate tutorial and I'm going to put the code there so at least they have a whole reference to it. Go to sleep. I've already slept already. I'm chilling now. Yo, Shubi, what's up, man? How are you? Yo, we made a lot of progress, but don't worry. We made a lot of progress. The website looks pretty sick now. And in 3 seconds, tell me 3 things you like. Money, cars, and food. I'm just kidding. What do I really like? Coding. I like running. And what else do I like? I don't even know what else I like, to be honest. That's funny. Can you make a tutorial of an invite counter bot in the future? Maybe. I was gonna do it, but you know, it would take mad long. Well, it wouldn't take mad long, but there's just a lot of issues with the Discord API, so I think it'd be easier if I just you know, did like a different type of tutorial maybe. Did you see how you do not say yourself? I think by nature, it's like a lot of people always don't consider themselves first because I don't know. Well, some people like to put other people first before them. Personally, for me, I always prioritize myself first in the sense that I need to make sure that I'm taking care of myself, like my health and my well-being, before I put my responsibility of taking care of someone else out there. You know what I mean? Because if you're not, you know, healthy and well yourself, how are you going to, you know, bear the burden of someone else? Do you like real cars? I like fake cars. I like those cars that you buy off Wish for like $99, and then when it actually comes, it's just like cardboard taped together, like taped around the toy cars. What is Spain for you? What is that question? What do you mean by what is Spain for me? When you hear Spain, I think about the country, Spain. I think about yeah. I mean, I don't really think so much about Spain though, because I've never been there and I don't know too much about it. So I know they have a what? I mean, at least I know the capital of Spain. It's Madrid, and I knew that before I looked it up. So don't worry. I know my geography. The country, yeah. It's. I mean, I was trolling, obviously. Like, guys, obviously, I know Spain is not in South America. Like, clearly, if you think Spain is in South America, you're just completely wrong. Because obviously, it's located in Antarctica. And if you are just denying that, then you're the same type of people that think that the Earth is flat. This is music. In South America, there are countries that speak Spanish. Did you know that in South America there are also people that speak Chinese there too? They're what called I think Chinese Latinos, which I thought was pretty cool. When I first heard about that, I thought that was pretty cool. It's nice to know that there are lots of parts in the world that have different cultures and diversities, which is pretty cool. Do I know the Netherlands? No. What is the Netherlands? Never heard of it before. Oh my god, I don't like the song either. Is the song is the music too low? Should I increase it? What do you think I should do? Spanish line is pretty epic. Oh, wait, let me show you guys what let me show you guys what I was working on yesterday. There we go. This is what we started yesterday. Look how nice that is. Doesn't that look fucking sick? And look at this. Like we're getting there. Like it's not perfect, but we're getting there. Is it hard to make a music bot? Not really. I mean, it really depends on what your skills are, but if you are good with programming, then it shouldn't be too hard. Are you on the side of Tesla or on the side of Lambos? Honestly, look, I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Look. I don't give a shit about Teslas or Lamborghinis or these, you know, cars that everyone dreams about. You know, obviously if I did have the money, I would probably buy it, but it would probably be on the last it would probably be on like the last thing on my bucket list. You know, like personally for me, I just don't care so much about these materialistic things. If I had $1 million right now, I probably wouldn't spend it on all the things that you typically see a bunch of these, you know, these rich kids spending it on. I would probably do more smarter things with it. And more selfless things with it. You know? Like I like them. I'm not saying they're bad cars. I like them, but I wouldn't, you know, I don't dream about them all the time. But of course, if I did have the money, it would probably be something I would buy, but not like, you know, right away. I'm still up for designing. Yeah, man. I'm down too. I'll let you know, man. Yo, Dark Mata, what's up? How are you? Welcome to the stream. Is Figma displays the pixels as in Photoshop? I'm sure it can. Why are episodes 17, 18 private? Because they weren't necessarily needed. So I got rid of them, and it was for personal reasons. Darkstark, hello. How are you, man? Have you ever used the XD? Yeah. I was actually using XD on my first couple streams about a week ago, and everyone recommended that I should use Figma. So I decided to switch to Figma. And I actually like Figma a lot, if I'm being honest. Like, it's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. Honestly, I need to get a bigger monitor. I'm probably gonna get a 2560 by 1440p monitor, because I can't change the resolution on this, and it's just like, it's too small for me. Like, I need more space. How did you learn so much Discord.js coding? Lots of practice, lots of hard work, lots of perseverance, determination, motivation, productivity. If you have those aspects in life, you're gonna go everywhere you want to go. I have an ultra wide monitor right now. That's what I'm using to look at my YouTube chat and my Twitch chat. No one's talking my Twitch chat, unfortunately. But just playing around in coding, you become a genius. Yeah, like if you just play around with it and stuff, you know, you'll make it. You'll make it. But yeah, I'm actually gonna get a new PC soon. I'm thinking about building a new PC, I think next week or this week, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna build a new one. And I don't know, I'll probably record myself building it. Like, I have a GoPro, I'm gonna like mount it on my head so you guys can see like how I build it. I'm not gonna do it like live or anything like that, but I will be building a new computer, and when I build that new computer, it's gonna be fucking sick. Yo, what's up, Mixius? How are you? How's it going? When did you start coding? I started coding 4 years ago when I entered university. I was in a computer science program, and obviously you need to code. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. And here I am. You know, I'm actually going to do a computer science live stream one of these days. I'm going to just live stream myself just teaching like the entire introduction to computer science course. I think that'd be a pretty fun thing to do. So people who are new can all learn. It feels so good when you're learning how to code and you complete a project with anyone. Yeah, that is the best feeling in the world. The sense of accomplishment. It feels so good when you're learning to code and you complete a project with any. Yeah. Just woke up and you. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. If you've been brain searching and asking, you don't. Yeah, that's true. That's also true. Yeah. What's the easiest way to learn how to code? Well, there's no easy way. I think what it is, and this is the mindset that you should have. You shouldn't think of it as it's something being easy, because if you think of it as being easy, you're always going to feel frustrated. When you run into issues, you're going to be like, oh my god, why is this so hard? I thought this was supposed to be easy. And when you do that, it's going to set yourself up for failure, because you're going to feel overwhelmed. What you should do instead is you should think of it like this. If you try a little bit out and then see how it works out for you, right? See how it works. And if you feel like you're getting the hang of it, then continue and just keep going. Of course, you're going to run into, you know, difficulties. Everyone does. So, like I said, there's no easy way into it. You gotta just go through it, like everyone else. Now, obviously, there are going to be people who are gonna say, "Oh, programming is so easy. All you do is just write lines of text." Don't believe them. I think those are people who are just trying to like bring a lot of people down, because the term easy is so different to everyone's perspective. It's more of a subject. It's more of a, what is the term, objective? It's more of a, it's more of a subjective, perspective when someone says like, something easy, that something's easy. It really just depends on, the person, because everyone learns at different rates. Everyone has different IQ. Everyone has different knowledge. Everyone has different wisdom. It really depends, and people learn differently. I accidentally muted the song. Alright, so let's build the logging. I'm gonna move this to the other screen. Man, I really like this UI. This is fucking awesome, dude. Holy shit. This is a really good fucking design. Like, I'm actually proud that I made this. And see, look, I'll give you a perfect example. Like, I'm not a good designer. I'm not a good designer at all. And I've admitted that many times. And I'm always willing to take constructive criticism from people who are much better than myself at design. I ask questions. I'm curious about things. I always ask questions, right? So, obviously, when I first started out, I mean, I never asked what's like the easiest way to get better at design. Because, again, there's no easy way. You need to go through the process of trial and error. Why do you think it's called... I mean, why do you think it's kind of like this? Think of it like a science experiment, right? You need to go through trial and error. You need to go through experiments. You need to create hypotheses, right? Test things out, be curious, and then see what happens when you test it out. That's what you gotta do. Alright, let me move this over here, and let me go ahead and continue with this. Okay. You know what's sad is that the quality, I think it should look the same, to be honest. Yeah, it should look the same. Okay. So, what do you guys think about the buttons? I'm not really too much of a fan of the buttons though. They kind of look weird if you ask me. I don't really like them. I don't know, there's just not much flavor, or it just feels dead. Like, look, let me tell you guys something. 2 years ago, 2 years ago was when I started coding Discord bots again. And look, I didn't know anything about JavaScript. Like, I knew basics, but I didn't know a lot of things. And I was completely noob. I was trash. And but here's the thing, every single day I woke up, and it was the difficulty, the errors that I ran into, all of the failures that I've encountered. And when I woke up, I would think about those failures, and I would think about those struggles, and I would be like, all right, you know what? Yes, those things happen, but fuck it, I'm just gonna work towards it and get better. And literally every single day I worked on my Discord bot. And, over time, I just learned more and more things. I learned more about my friend told me about web development, or like backend development. So like, if I wanted to create APIs and stuff, he told me what I need to use: Express, EJS, template engines, all that kind of stuff. Learn how to save data to a database, learn how to build simple APIs. It's all these little things that matter. It's kind of like, think of it like this, look. Think of it like this, right? I gotta turn down my music. It's too freaking loud. Think of it like this. Think of it like this. Imagine if imagine if I stopped uploading videos for like the next year, right? Because obviously right now I'm a small channel right now, right? And of course, I can just sit back and complain, oh my god, like, why is my channel so small? Like, why don't I have 100,000 subscribers? Why don't I have 1 million subscribers? But here's the thing. I can sit there and just complain and, moan and then just, bitch about having so little subscribers. But if I'm not doing anything, how am I ever going to reach that goal? Right? If I'm not uploading videos, if I'm not streaming, if I'm not putting out content for people to watch, how am I ever going to reach that goal? Yes, I do have a very small percentage compared to the actual numbers that I want. But if I don't work towards that goal, I'm just going to be at the same place that I am for the next who knows how long. It's the same concept, it's the same principle when you think of it in terms of programming or anything that you're learning. If you just wake up every day and say I'm not gonna bother fixing my code because it's too hard and I don't want to waste my time with that, you're gonna be at the exact same place 2, 3, 4 years from that same day. But if you spend just maybe even just 1 hour a day just working a little bit towards that small goal by fixing your code, debugging, learning what's new and stuff, you're gonna make a lot of progress. You can make so much progress by just learning something new every single day, right? You can make a lot of progress from that, and a lot of people don't know that. And like I said, take me for an example. 6 months ago, look, let me tell you something. If I was still in Arizona right now, if I was still living in Arizona working there, as a software engineer in Arizona, my channel would have been dead. None of the Discord.js bot tutorials would have existed. None of the other videos, none of the stream would even exist if I was still living in Arizona right now. My entire channel would probably be completely dead compared to 6 months later, right? And of course, when I came back, I was just bored, so I decided to make some videos. And it's like, if you enjoy doing what you do, it's just going to come back in a positive way over time. And there were days where I was like, oh my god, I don't want to make videos. But I said to myself, if I want to reach the goal that I want to reach, then I got to, keep sticking up with my grind. I got to keep, doing what I got to do. And obviously, right now, I'm nowhere where I want to be in terms of like my channel, because I'm always setting, higher goals. Obviously, I have set goals and I've reached them, but I'm always setting new goals because I always want to be improving and innovating stuff, and I always want to be just breaking boundaries, right? Like, and in terms of goals, when I mean goals, I'm not talking about numbers. I'm talking about actual content that is produced on the channel. Like, for example, I wanted to make a Discord mod mill bot because I knew that there's no tutorial out there, and I wanted to show people that the bots that you use on a regular basis, these are things that you can just code on your own. And my goal was to make content to showcase how these things can be done. A lot of people misinterpret the whole idea of the video. They just want the code. They just want to copy and paste. They don't learn anything. It's fine. I don't care about that. But there's a small percentage of people who actually do care about learning. And those people, I have greatly respect for them. I respect them for going through the grind, going through the struggle. Because it is very hard for a lot of people to watch a video and understand every single one of it. Maybe for some people, maybe some people may be easy, but some people, there are different types of people where they might find a lot really hard. So if you can sit through a video, like an hour-long video or even a series, and just actually learn and understand the main idea of the whole video, then I have great respect for you. And I definitely think that if you continue with that mindset, you're gonna make it very far. I had that same mindset 2 years ago when I was watching people like Brad Traversy and the Net Ninja, and I sat down and I just watched their whole series, and I didn't just copy the code. I understood what was going on, I practiced, and I did things on my own, and I did research. If you guys can just at first just sit through it and just watch it, hats off. If you can sit down and learn from it and you can experiment on your own, even better. Okay? But the main point that I'm trying to make is it's not going to come easy, and you just have to be patient. Success, like I said, success doesn't come over a period of days, maybe sometimes not even a period of weeks. It's more so like months, years, maybe. Who knows? So that's just my perspective of it. That's just my perspective of it. Obviously, some people might disagree, and I fully respect that. But that's just my opinion. And I think, like I said, I just think that if you work hard, you'll be able to achieve anything in life. That's just my perspective. Hi, Anson, you are the best. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yo, Ari, what's up, man? How are you? Welcome back to the stream. I get you. Yeah. I don't mean to go on a rant, but I'm gonna keep preaching that message, man. Like, there are a lot of people who don't understand it, but I'm gonna keep preaching it until it gets embedded into your fucking skull. So you're gonna hear me saying the same shit over and over again. Like, it's not wrong to copy code if you know what's going on. Like, if you know what's going on, like look, sometimes I copy code. Like, guys, look, I copy code. I've done it too. But here's the thing. The difference is that I know exactly what to expect, and I know the outcome and the failure of it. And like I said, that's just not something that everyone has. You have to practice and practice and practice in order to develop that skill. You're not gonna have that skill immediately. It's gonna take some time to actually develop. You know what I mean? So if you know what's going on, then go for it. But if you are completely new, do not copy and paste code. It is the worst way to learn. You're setting yourself up for failure. Alright, I'm gonna get back to coding. I've been ranting too much. What am I making? I'm making a Discord dashboard. Yeah, like, you know, if you copy examples and play around with it, that's good. Like, the thing is, look, a lot of this code, they're just, I'm just copying it and playing around with it, and that's good. That's what you want to do. Alright, so I know exactly what I want to do next. So let me open up Chakra UI documentation. And there's a select. Yeah, so I want to style up this stuff. Right over here. It looks pretty ugly, so I'm going to style it up a little bit. Are you going to publish it, or is it like for yours? It's going to be for my Discord bot. So here's the thing, the bot that I'm making is actually going to be a private. I think I'm going to make it a private bot though. So I might add like a subscription thing or something. The reason why, I'm going to explain why. This is not like going to be an ordinary. Oh, so what I'm saying is like these features that we're working on, they're going to be free. Like, I'm not going to charge you for it, obviously, because that'd be fucked up to charge someone just for a fucking moderation bot. But what I'm saying is, like, I want to work on more subscription commands, so that if people want access to it, they can pay like maybe like, you know, $1 for something like that. I don't know. I'm not really, you know, trying to charge people like fucking like I don't know. I know Me6 does it where they charge like $5 a month. I would probably just charge like $5 one-time payment and you just get access to everything. But I'm gonna like have a lot of good stuff though. Like, I want to have a lot of good promising features. but there's gonna be free tier and there's gonna be a premium tier. And I don't know, maybe I'll do giveaways and shit. I don't know. I mean, I want to make an awesome bot, but there's so many. I have some ideas for this bot though. I'm gonna work on some features that are gonna have GitHub integration. I might add Twitch integration. I might add maybe YouTube. Actually, no, I'm not gonna add YouTube integration because the YouTube API is actually fucking garbage. It's so bad in my opinion. And if you want to actually use it for a production application, you're gonna have to actually pay more money because they limit your quotas, which is pretty annoying. I mean, I get it. Servers cost money. I don't know. I mean, Google's literally like the most. It's probably one of the fucking richest fucking companies. Isn't Google? What is the richest company? What is the richest company? Walmart. Oh, so it's not Google. Well, I mean, Google is probably definitely up there. 2020. What is Google's revenue? Google revenue 2019. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh shit, never mind. Okay, let me rephrase this. I would say maybe a tech company, richest tech company. Google's definitely has to be up there. According to Google, it says their revenue was 45 billion. I think that's probably how much they made in 1 year. I think. I doubt that's how much they're actually worth. They're definitely worth a lot more. All right, have a go, Neri. I've coded lots of things and I've ran out of ideas and I don't know what to code. Are you talking about like Discord bots or like just in general? Is there a video on how to make a bot with DBS Deadly Legend? I have a series on my channel if you want to check it out. Yes, Chaz. It was made 3 months ago. Oh wait, what the hell? This actually looks sick. Well, I mean, it looks a lot better. Let me see if I can style it a little bit. Alright, I want to change this up a little bit because I don't really like the look too much. I want to see what I can possibly do to make it look a little bit better. First, let's start with changing the width to 80%. Oh, there are different variants too that I can play around with. Let me try something out. That looks pretty cool. I put a theme and text font of VSC different. I love coding mature. Nah, I agree. I really get so bored of the themes that I use sometimes, and I have to change it up. Like I just changed my theme yesterday. I agree. Honestly, that last song that I just played was sick. I'm gonna play it again. Hopefully, you guys don't mind. That was a good song. It's called Cartoon Howling, in case you guys are wondering. Yo, that's a lot better. I'm not sure why. That was very weird. Whatever, I'll go ahead and do... $10 a.m.? Where are you from? Oh, UK, nice. You know what I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wrap this between the box. There we go, that's better. And I'll also wrap. Can you make a video on custom welcome and leave message with the help of QuickDB? Custom welcome and leave message. I don't use QuickDB, so I can't really specifically target QuickDB. Honestly, you guys should stop using QuickDB if you are, and just use MySQL or MongoDB. And I'm 100% serious about that. Well, it's not converting your code, it's just more like you're gonna just interact with the database, so, you know. Yeah, it's not that hard. I would suggest, you know, learning MongoDB first, before you go back to the Discord bot. Oh my god, I really like this song, man. This song gets me hyped. I like this song so much, it gets me hyped. It's getting me hyped right now. Why do you hate MongoDB? Alright, this looks better. Looks a lot better. I think I actually need to wrap all this inside a form. And Chakra UI doesn't support forms. So we have to use a separate oh, there's a form control, but they want you to use oh wait. Oh yeah, they want you to use fucking Formic, which is pretty annoying, but we're gonna have to use this. You should make a home button. I will. Anson, are you from the United States? Yes, I am. I think my name itself is makes it pretty obvious. But yeah, I am. I wish I was from USA. Where are you from again? United Kingdom. UK's a pretty nice place. UK's a pretty nice place. I like it. Honestly, I was thinking about moving to London. Let me ask you guys this. What do you guys think I am? What do you guys think my ethnicity is? I'm actually curious what you guys actually think think my family is from. Well, obviously Asian. I think that's pretty obvious, but I mean like the actual ethnicity. Like Thailand, or I mean Thai, Vietnamese, Korean. Yo, let's vote. Let me do a vote. Strawpoll.me. I'll do a poll. Let's do a poll. Me trying to think of a bunch of different Asian countries. Alright, here you go. Vote in the poll. I posted on YouTube, by the way. Vote vote in the poll. I wanna see your guys' response. I don't think I've ever told anyone. I don't think I did. Oh, I forgot about Japanese. No, I'm not Japanese though. See, is there any more people that are voting? $11 votes. I want to wait a little bit more. Let's see. Let's get more people to vote. Let's see what you guys think. Oh, isn't that supposed to be that's supposed to be apostrophe. $16, $17. Let's wait for 3 more. Can we get 3 more votes? Can we get 3 more? Two more votes. Let's see. Damn. 44% Korean. 3%, 17% Filipino. 17% Chinese, so it's evened out between these two. And then there's 22% Vietnamese. So, the thing is, if I had $1 for every vote, I would have $0 because you guys all got it wrong. I'm actually Malaysian. Yo, what's up, Vortex? I can't believe not one single person voted for Malaysian. Yes. I'm Malaysian. You guys got it so wrong. Not one single person voted. Well, I mean, now it doesn't even count, but yeah. You guys got what is that term? Bamboozled? Is that the right term? You guys got bamboozled. But yeah, I'm Malaysian. Yes I am. LW Jerry. Yeah, Malaysians aren't really that common. Like, the funny thing is, everyone that always asks me where I'm from, they never can ever guess Malaysian. Never. Never. Never once have I met someone that has guessed Malaysian. We are just very rare people. We're just very rare people. I've actually been to Malaysia, and it's a pretty nice country. It's very, very beautiful country. It's right next to Singapore. Are you Malaysian by any chance? Yeah, I am. My family is from Malaysia. I went to Malaysia 8 years ago. It was a really, really good experience. My first time flying out of the United States. Or first time flying in general. And yeah, it was I was like, what, 15, 14 at that time? I am following your music tutorial, but I keep getting no user ID supplied. That's Skull. The reason why that's happening is because you're trying to create the Arella client before the bot has logged in. That's why. Have you ever come to India? I have never been to India, but if I were to go to India, I would probably go to Mumbai or Bangalore. Mumbai, Bangalore. What else? I'm sure there are a lot of good places in India to go to. Malaysia is very nice. Singapore is also beautiful too. Singapore is amazing. Did you see the movie Hotel Mumbai? No, I have not. Should I watch it? Yeah, no problem. Game with Death Skull. You should go to Bangalore and Ahmedabad. What are all the countries you visited? I've only went to... Okay, so when I went to Malaysia, I had I don't know my... When I went to Malaysia, we had a layover at Japan, Tokyo, Japan. The airport was Narita, and we never went outside though. We were only in the airport, so it doesn't really count. But we landed in Singapore, and then we went to Malaysia. Those are the only two countries that I've actually been to, outside of North America. I've never been to any other country. I mean, Canada is obviously a country, but I wouldn't really consider that because it's like right next to where I live. So yeah, I don't really travel that much. It's a movie about a terrorist attack. It's really life learning. Oh, okay. I'll look it up. Alright, I'm gonna do this for now and then see what I can get with this. I've never traveled to an Asian country. Honestly, the only country that I would want to go to right now is probably Switzerland. Switzerland's real. Yo, Alberto, what's up, man? How are you doing? How's it going? Bora Bora? I want to go to a Scandinavian country. Scandinavian countries are very beautiful. Like, it's just, when you look at photos of Scandinavian countries, I think it looks fucking sick. It looks amazing in my opinion. I plan on moving to the US for further studies. Yeah, you should. US has a lot of good programs here. A lot of people always come to the United States to pursue a further education that they wouldn't be able to get anywhere else. And there are a lot of opportunities here in the United States too. That's why a lot of people want to come to the United States. It's a very good country. If you ever want to start a business, you ever want to start your own, entrepreneurship, US is a good place to do that. Not the only place, but it is a good place to do it. Yo, bro, I'm heading out. Alright, yo, acclimate. Have a good one, man. Take it easy. Iceland, yeah, Iceland is very beautiful too. I 100% agree. How to join in your Discord server? The link is in the description. The link to the Discord server is in the description. Let me do something real quick. So I have to manually approve people, but I'm just gonna give you guys the role. Like, we turn off auto roll just to prevent raids. But alright, it should work now. It'll auto add the role when you join the server. Yeah, Switzerland, Denmark, and Norway, Iceland. Yeah, they are good countries. Also, Japan. Yeah, true. I want to pursue a degree in aeronautical engineering and get a pilot license after that. And India has no good place for this. Really? I'm surprised. Damn, that sucks. Well, I'm hoping that you can come to the US and pursue that dream. By the way, Anton, I've looked into a Linode sponsorship, and Linode gives sponsorships from 2K. So really? I did not know that. Oh my god, I hate the song so much. I gotta change it. I'll look into the sponsorship. I'm gonna look into that today, actually. You can do something like roll by React. I could, yeah, but we have auto roll right now. Like I said, I turn it off so that we don't get raided, because we've been getting raided a lot recently. Again, I still have the authorization bar working right now, but I need to put it on the server, which I haven't done yet. Dubstep, yeah, I'm not really a fan of dub. I used to like Skrillex, but I'm not really a fan of dubstep. Maybe like 2011, 2013 dubstep is good. But I don't like the new one. How do you make a dashboard link with a bot? You would need to connect the dashboard with an API, like the Express app, and then have the Express app communicate with the bot itself. Yo, welcome back, Hein Anderson. How are you? Good afternoon. Let me see. I want to. Oh, if that's true, let me see if I can get. I want to see if I can get sponsored by Linode. That'd be pretty awesome. I'm good. Why don't you make videos on auto mod and custom welcome and leave this? I think I've done. Did I do custom welcome? I don't think I've done custom welcome. Actually, yeah, I don't think I've done that. I think I'll do that maybe later. I'm planning on doing a return for the Discord bot videos, but not now, but like later. How old am I? Guess. Most people already know because I've said it already, but how old do you think I am? $25? No, I'm not 25. I wish I was 19. I think ages 19 and 20 were like my best years. 19, 20, and 21. I'm 22. I'm turning 20. I'm turning 23 in 2 months. I have a late birthday. Damn, I was spot on. Let's see, you have a degree 24. Now, so in the US, it's normally, if you're a traditional student, you graduate college in 4 years, you get your degree by the time you're either 21 or 22. I got my degree when I was 21, turning 22 later that year. So, some people do get their degree a little bit later. It really depends. Everyone's situation is different. Yo, Cyx, what's up, man? How are you? Welcome back to the stream. Nice to see you here on Twitch. What if a whole country will sponsor you? If a whole country sponsors me, I mean, I wouldn't even know what to say at that point. You live in the Netherlands? Nice. Is it me or like most of the house DJs like Martin Garrix, they're all from like either Sweden or Netherlands. I know Martin Garrix isn't Dutch, but alright, Ratam. Hopefully that's how I pronounce your name. Ratam. Have a good one, man. Take it easy, bro. Ukraine. Nice. I'm doing good, Cyx. Thank you for asking. Martin Garrix is awesome. I love Martin Garrix. My favorite DJs: Martin Garrix, Avicii, Rip Avicii, by the way. Tiesto, he's also good. David Guetta, or Guetta, I don't know how to pronounce it. Who else? There's another Galantis. Galantis is also good. There's another one that I Alesso. Alessio. Kaigo is good. Kaigo is amazing. Who else? Do you have any ideas on how to host a Discord server for free? Do you mean Discord bot? Why do you use Windowser when most other devs use OS X? If you're talking about like the operating system, then well, I mean my main computer is obviously like my main desktop is a Windows-based desktop, and I have better specs on my desktop than my Mac, so that's primarily the reason why. I would love to use Mac, but I'm not really trying to spend a lot of money on a Mac, and I don't want to do a Hackintosh. So when I build my new computer, I'm just gonna dual boot Linux. I'm gonna buy 2 SSDs. I'm gonna boot Linux on one, and I'm gonna boot Windows on the other. I would hope that you not. Well, links are auto deleted, but yeah, don't do that. I'm never buying another Mac ever again. I have Macs. I have a Mac right now, and I'm using it regularly, but I am never buying another Mac ever again. They're so fucking overpriced. They're good. Like the quality, like the design of it is amazing. Are you gonna use Arch Linux? Nah. I heard Arch Linux is like ridiculously hard to install. Maybe some. I'm not really that proficient with Linux. Like I'm not really a Linux user. So I'm probably just gonna stick with Ubuntu first, or I might go with another distribution. I have a friend. He's like really into Linux distributions, and he suggested that I should use Pop OS. So I might look into some open source operating systems and then use them. I might try Manjaro out. Yeah, Macs are good. Like, don't get me wrong, Macs are good, but they're just very expensive. And personally, for me, look, even if I had all the money in the world, I still wouldn't buy a fucking Mac. If I had $2 million right now, I still wouldn't buy a fucking Mac. I would rather just build a PC and run Windows on it. I mean, I probably wouldn't even run Windows. I would just freaking use Linux, which is free. I use Windows 10. I have an Ubuntu VM. Yeah, Ubuntu is really beautiful. I have Ubuntu too. I have Ubuntu Duble right now. I mean, yeah. I mean, I do use a Mac for my work. Like, I have like our employers gave us a MacBook Pro, and I'm using that for work. So I have no choice. I mean, look, I like Mac. Like, I really do like Mac, but to buy one, missed me out with that. Yeah. So the guy with the Russian name, I don't even know if that's Russian, but Heroku is your best solution right now with hosting Discord bots for free. Yeah, glitch is not supported anymore. Oh, that's a Greek name. I didn't even know. Wow, I was way I was way off. Please do not do that. I do not support advertisements of third-party services unless if you DM me that, if you DM me what it is, and if I think it's good and legitimate, then I'll say yes. But yeah, don't do that. But yeah, like, I don't know. Am I going to move to San Francisco? Hell no. I'm never moving to California. California is ridiculously expensive. I cannot see myself paying $4,000 a month for rent. I live in New York City right now, and the rent here is fucking awful. So I'm good. I'm good. I would move to Arizona or Denver. Yeah, I mean, look, I was really close to moving to Arizona. It was actually, I was there, but then I came back. Will I create my own coding language? I would like to someday. That'd be fun. Texas is also cheap. Yes, I would move to Texas too. Yeah, like when I was moving to Arizona, I was looking at a lot of factors. I was looking at the cost of living. I was looking at the environment. I was looking at everything. You have to be smart. You can't just move to places without doing research. A lot of people move to New York City not knowing the actual cost of living there, and they're wondering why they're spending like paycheck to paycheck. You know, like, are you that surprised? New York City has like a huge land veil. Of course, rent is gonna be ridiculously cheap. Yo, Joshua, what's up? How's it going? I would definitely move to Texas though, for sure. Maybe not now, but like, it would be a consideration. You know what I mean? Not yet. It will soon. You know, Arizona. You can also. It's also legal to. It's an open carry state too. All of the red states in the U.S. are. I think most of them are open carry states. I will be right back, real quick. LMAO Anson is probably gonna live with 6ix9ine since he lives in New York. I don't even know, is 6ix9ine even in New York right now? I know he's I know he's I know, aren't people like after him or something? He's probably like moving between house to house. What's my opinion on COVID-19? Horrible. I think it's horrible. I think that all of those deaths that happened were deaths that did not need to happen. But I do think that it is teaching a lot of people a lesson. I think it's teaching a lot of people a valuable lesson in life. You know, there are people that exist out there that don't wash their hands. I can't tell you how many times I've used the bathroom, and you know, people go into the bathroom stall, they do their business, and then they walk out without washing their hands. This is why I don't shake people's hands, because you don't know where on fucking earth they've put their fucking hand. That's why when I don't do handshakes. Well, the December 22nd is very far, so I think it'll be okay, hopefully. Well, knowing Florida did such a horrible job at handling COVID-19. They are so stupid. Like, the people who were partying in Florida are so stupid. Because literally they had no cases at all. I mean, they also probably didn't test as much either. But they literally never locked down. They were always at the beach. And yeah, I don't know, like the mayor is a clown. Instead of actually doing something, she shut off the people's water. Instead of actually, you know, pausing, you know, bills on rent and shit, she decided to shut off the city water. So I don't think that people should rely too much on their mayor or governor to close things down. What people need to do is they need to have discipline, and they need to be more aware, because you cannot rely on, you know, your mayor to save you. You just need to be smart. You know, if you know there's a pandemic going on, then you need to not go outside. If you do, you need to wear a mask and you need to not shake people's hands. Can you tell me how to make a login authenticator? I'm actually gonna make a video on that soon. I'm eating a golden Oreo right now. Golden Oreo. It's so good. Who knew golden Oreos would be very good? Have you ever worked with Ruby? I have not. I gotta get some water. Yes, I do. I'm gonna send you a playlist right now. I'm gonna send you a playlist. Yeah, sure, Gable, you can. Here we go. I watched that guy, Brad Traverse. He's an amazing YouTuber. I highly recommend his videos. Yeah, I respect Brad Traversy. He's amazing. Super humble guy. Very knowledgeable. Hardworking. Yeah, Abel, do you want me to show this on on stream? Okay. So I didn't want to do it without your consent. So, one of my mods designed this. I like it. It's pretty minimalistic. You can see there's a logo up there. You got your navigation. What else? It's pretty sick. Like, you know, it's pretty minimalistic. You have the main title over here. I craft digital solutions and experiences that last. Not sure what these two things down here are though. But yeah, I like it. I think it's good. I think it's sick. He said this is gonna be a great area where you can add stuff. Did you create it with React Editable? What did you create it with? React, Vue. So yeah, you said React, Bootstrap, Anime.js. What's Anime.js? Let me look it up. Is that an animation engine? Oh. Oh, I see. Oh wow. I thought this was an actual. I actually thought this was a UI library based on anime because of the name. But seems it's a completely different thing. Yeah, Anime.js. That's pretty cool. Well, he was guessing because usually React apps by default run on port 3000. Well, if you're using like what's it called, like create React app, then it'll by default run on port 3000. That's why. I think Vue does 8080. I think, like by default. Like it's very rare that some people do actually change it, but people do change it because they probably have other things running on certain ports. All right, I gotta configure this form. Does it sound cool?
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me.
Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is get this real quick. Give me 1 sec. I'm trying to figure this out.
Turn to real life, and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with.
What's your bot?
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I am coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken, reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
You still here? What? Yeah, I'm still here. Yo, what's up, Jerben? How are you? I think the guy, I think the guy who actually posted that website, I might be wrong. I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I just have a small bad feeling about it. I didn't go to that website that guy linked, but thank you for letting me know. Are you, Hein Anderson? What's your Discord? Are you Voidy? Okay. Give me 1 sec. So let me just say this. I think someone was trying to actually I think someone was trying to do some doxing. Yesterday there was an argument between one of my moderators and someone on the server, which ended up leading to the guy getting muted because the guy was just being an asshole. And I 100% supported it. The guy got banned, and then he started threatening my moderators. And my moderator said that the guy had said that he was going to SWAT him, basically call the police and threaten, or not threaten, call the police and make false allegations saying that someone was being held hostage. The guy deleted his messages because he was a pussy, and he probably wasn't actually going to do it because he deleted the messages because he didn't want the mod to get screenshots. So that's why I'm speculating that that guy's probably him, because well, it logs your IP, and how do people dox you in the first place? They ask you for they get your IP address. They get your IP address. If you don't have a VPN, you're even more screwed. They get your IP address, and then they look that shit up. They can find your address and all that kind of stuff. I'm not saying that's you. That's why I said I wasn't 100% sure. I'm not saying that's you, but don't DM me asking me to visit your website, because I literally just got like 3 people DMing me saying that the website literally shows your IP. I don't know what you're gonna do with that website, so that's why I'm saying don't do that shit, because it's not cool. But I was just telling you guys a story of what happened yesterday. That's why I was speculating. Not saying that that guy was him, but I'm just speculating. So no need to witch hunt or anything. I was just speculating. But yeah, like, the guy actually threatened to SWAT someone just for getting muted on a Discord server. I've never seen something. I've never seen anyone say something like that before. That's like the most beta shit I've ever seen. The thing is, the guy deleted his messages via DM, and when they delete the messages, yeah, I don't think there's much that can be done. The guy got banned from multiple other servers though. Well, general area, okay. So yes, it does give the general area, but even then, knowing where they are, here's the thing: if they know your real name, and if they know your, if they know enough data about you, they could literally just find a local police station, and they could just call, and they could just report your name. It's like, police departments can easily look up your actual address with just your name. And so, yeah. So, that's the thing. It might not give the exact location, but it can be used to get the exact location indirectly. So yeah. The guy had threatened my mod saying that I'm gonna join back on an alt account, and I'm gonna join at a random time so you won't ever think it's me. And he also said that he was gonna raid our server. And this is all coming from one person who was being a complete asshole to someone else and got called up by my moderator, and he couldn't handle criticism. So, yeah, I don't know. I didn't click on the link. I don't click on random links. But I'm just saying, other people, like, I got a couple people who complained to me about it, so, Did you report his account? I didn't. I'll leave my moderator to do that if they want to. I'm using React. Anyways, yo, Jason Cruiser, what's up, man? How are you? How's it going? Yeah, I know. Yeah. People get so sensitive and they become so entitled that they start to fearmonger you. You know what I mean? It's kind of sad. It is what it is. Nah, man. I hope you know honestly, if that guy does end up doxing someone, I hope he gets a good amount. I hope he gets caught, and I hope he goes to jail. Over here. No, no, not you. I'm not talking about you. Whatever your name is, Cosmic Ice. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the other person. I wasn't saying that you were doxing anyone. I was saying that I was speculating because, like, okay, if you're mad at someone, right? You can literally come back to the server and act, like a different person. And it's very easy to get someone's IP address. I could literally ask someone to join my Minecraft server and I could get the IP address. I can get someone to visit my website and I can get their IP address. I can, there's so many ways that I can get someone's IP address. And what I do with it, I can do whatever I want with it. But depending on what I do with it, I'll face the consequences based off of it. You know what I mean? So it's like, yeah. Sure, you can get my IP address, but if you do illegal shit with it, then you're gonna face the consequences. But that's the thing. That's the thing. If you dox someone, you can go to jail. Life in prison, probably. Like, yeah, doxing is bad. Don't do it. You can literally get people killed. Innocent people killed. For no reason. Why? Because you were mad that someone banned you from a fucking server because you're being an asshole? That's your reason for doxing someone? If I show you guys the screenshots... you guys are gonna think this guy's an actual fucking beta male IRL. Like, just from the way that this guy talks, this guy's an actual beta male. I'm not gonna show the screenshots though. I'm not trying to witch hunt. I'm not saying the name of the person. I'm just saying that this actually happened. If you guys were on the server yesterday, you'll know who exactly I'm talking about. Because there was only one person yesterday, last night, that was being an asshole. No, I'm not gonna show the screenshots. That'd be fucked up. That'd be fucked up. No, he was just saying that our server's trash, that we have bad moderators. But, of course you're gonna say that when you're mad. That was heated, man. He was so mad that they ended up reporting him on a different Discord server, and then they banned him from that Discord server too. Hey man, look, I'm just being real, man. I'm just being realistic. I'm just being a realistic person. Never trust anybody. Don't trust anyone. Never trust anyone. Never trust, not even your real friends. Don't trust your real friends either. 'Cause you'll never know what kind of shit they be doing in the background. That's why, me personally, I have a very small circle of friends. So I have a very small circle of friends. I hate being like, I hate having like a lot of friends because, it's hard being a friend because you have to worry about other people's bullshit. Their bullshit becomes your bullshit. I personally just like to keep a small circle and then care about the people that are in my circle, because at least it's much easier to care for 1, 2, 3 people than caring for 50 people at the same time. Yo, Howran Zoo, what's up, man? How's it going? The thing is, you can never trust people so easily, and once you start doing that, there are people that will take advantage of that. You know what I mean? There are people who will take advantage of that. They will abuse it. They will fearmonger you. They'll do everything that they can in their power to overtake your entire life. I've seen that shit happen, and I'm disgusted whenever I see shit like that. Sometimes I feel like I want to say something, but sometimes I feel like I'm not in the right position to say it. But Martin B, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream, actually. Like, I have very close friends that I've known for like 12 years. 13, 15 years since kindergarten. But that's only like 2 people that I know that I've known for over 10 years. And I still talk to them today. But it's very hard to trust someone that you've just met, you know. Can never trust people easily. Because you never know, they'll backstab you the next day. That's the scary part about life, you know. That's the scary part about life. Is that you can never really know a person ever. You can say that you know, you can say that you know someone, but in reality you do not know them, because they behind closed doors you do not know what they go through. You're not there to see what they're going through. Okay. Did I have to get banned? The reason why I banned you was because you kept advertising that shit. You advertised in general, and then you ran into my DMs and told me to visit it, and I didn't really appreciate that. I will unban you, but if you link that website again, I will ban you. Yeah, like, I'm taking this kind of stuff seriously, you know what I mean? Like, I'm looking out for other people, not just myself. The only reason I spend my pocket money on NordVPN, I gotta get a VPN. I don't even know where your name is on Discord. Cosmic Place. Sec. Yeah, don't do that. That's why I'm really against people fucking posting their websites, because you never know what kind of shit they be posting. My internet provider gives me a free VPN. Alright, I unbanned you. Please don't do it again. Yeah, I gotta get a VPN.
Kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh, I know I'm the one.
Yo, I want to get sponsored by VPN. Wants to sponsor me? No, I'm just kidding. Imagine, that'd be dope if I got sponsored by a VPN company. NordVPN, sponsor me. JK. Surf Shark. Yo, what's up, Sarah Mods? How's it going? How are you doing?
Sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize.
I'm doing good, man. Just chilling. Chilling. Trying to figure this shit out with Formic. Anson, why don't you make your own VPN? I mean, I don't think it's easy to make a VPN. If it was easy, then everyone would be doing it. It would obviously take some time, so I'd have to look into it and do some research. Oh, it's easy? Okay, I'll look into it. I shall look into it then. Thanks for letting me know. Remember, if it's free, you're the product.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Do you have any plans of switching to Twitch? I'm actually streaming on Twitch right now. I'm streaming on both Twitch and YouTube. If you guys want to go check it out. I might actually fully switch to Twitch. I'm not 100% sure, but I might actually fully switch to Twitch. We'll have to see. Just trying to figure out this issue right now with this shit. Nah, JK. I'll probably stream on both. But I definitely do want to continue on Twitch. I have no idea what's going on. Oh. Yeah, I'm using OBS in Streamlabs right now. Chakra UI is a user interface library for React. Why is this throwing an error though? Don't get it. What's the time? 6:04 a.m. I have work in 3 hours. I'll be on for maybe another hour or two. How do you keep yourself from getting burnt out doing this before going to work? The thing is, for me, my mindset is like, I gotta work. You know, I gotta be productive, and I like it. If you like something, you know, it's gonna be very hard to, like, I guess, not be burnt out from it. I get burnt out in a sense that I have some days where I just don't want to do anything, but then the next day I just, you know, get back on my track. So it really depends on how you recover from it. Like, burnouts are different for everyone. Me personally, a burnout is just like, you know, not feeling it for one day, and that's fine because, you know, I've worked, like, you know, a lot of shit. So I think if you just have a mindset where you are enthusiastic about doing certain things, you're innovative, and you have a clear mind of what it is that you want to achieve, I think that will definitely contribute a lot. And if you see positive results too, that might also help. Even not even just positive results, maybe even failures too, that could also enable you to want to continue, you know. So that's just my perspective. Anson, how do you go up so early? I don't know. I mean, I just like it. The way I think about it is if I wake up early, I get to do all of the work that I can do. And when I get all my work done, I get really happy about it. You know? It could be anything. It could either be going out for a walk, it could be, reading, coding. It doesn't have to be coding though. Like it can be anything. It could be working out. It could be, meditating, cooking, all sorts of things. As long as you do something productive, that's the important part. You do something productive to start your day off, the rest of your day you're going to feel happy about it. You're going to sleep easier at night because you know that you've gotten a lot accomplished during the nighttime. Do I go to the gym? I do, but I can't because obviously it's closed right now, so I have to go outside and, do jogging and, stay at home and do body weight exercises. But I usually do what is it, strong lifts, I think, strength training. But yeah, it kind of sucks. I want to go to the gym, but it's closed, so I can't wait to go back though. It's gonna be fun. I love going to the gym. Going to the gym is so awesome because it's like I get to release all of that negative energy and turn it into positive energy. By the time I get out, I just feel like a completely different person. I sit in my chairs for 8 hours a day. Why did you change your handle to Sty? Well, that was always my original name. Are you talking about Twitch or where are you talking about? Twitch, Discord, what are you talking about? My name on Twitch has always been Sty. YouTube, well, it's Anton the developer now. I switched to Sty for personal reasons, but then I switched it back. Oh, fried rice. Oh, okay. Yeah, I switched it back because everything was cleared up, so straight up coding for 8 hours is hard. Yeah, sometimes it is. I used to do that, but I don't think I could do that anymore. Like, I need to take breaks and everything. What do I think about Heroku? It's free. It's good in the sense that it's free. Is localhost free? Yes. I mean, localhost is just your local connection. That's it. This song is so bad. Switch. Honestly, don't really like a lot of these NCS songs. Some of them are alright, but some of them I don't know. I played baseball yesterday with my younger cousin. I love baseball. Baseball is actually my favorite sport. Did you know that? First it's baseball, then it's volleyball, and then it's basketball, and then it's soccer. Yes. I I love baseball. If I had the chance, I would actually play baseball. What am I programming? I'm programming a Discord bot right now. Oh, not Discord bot. Sorry, a React dashboard. Anson, when did you start YouTube? Well, I mean, I've had a YouTube account since like 2007, but I never uploaded. If you're are you talking about like just like when did I start upload? Like when did I start uploading my first ever videos, or like, or are you talking about like are you talking about like programming videos? Yeah, probably like around 2009-ish. I think I got it to work. I'm basically trying to create a form right now. Yeah, I mean, well, I've had like multiple different YouTube accounts. Do I play video games? If so, what genre is my favorite? Simulation games. I like simulation games. I like City Skylines. I like Sims 4, Sims 3. Any city building game in general. Like Sim City is also good. Minecraft. I mean, Minecraft's not really simulation, but it is fun. Real-time strategy games. Never really played them, but I can't really say if I would like them or not. I know there's StarCraft. Never got into StarCraft though. I used to play League of Legends. That was like my first ever mobile game I've ever played. For some reason, when I install pipenv, then the director doesn't make a pip file. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I don't want to mislead you. Anton, have you tried Jekyll? If so, have you thought about it? I've never tried it before. So I can't really say anything about it, to be honest with you. Yeah. Yo, chill out with the same messages, bro. When you learn how to connect the bot. We're working on the dashboard right now, so we're not working on the bot just yet. Anyways, yeah, I'm glad I got this thing to work. Now I can submit forms. Anson, how about a stream where you play Minecraft with your viewers? That is definitely possible. I mean, I did that a week ago, 2 weeks ago. The problem was that everyone was well, there were first of all there were like 3 hackers. So, but I mean, I'm more aware of how hackers are now, so I can just easily ban them. Second, I would definitely be down I would definitely be down. Yeah, the thing is, anti-cheat, I think some of the plugins are outdated. I was looking at it. Some of them were outdated, so I wasn't able to install some of them because I'm playing on 1.16 right now. I gotta give me one sec. Anyways, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'd be down to play Minecraft with my viewers. That'd be awesome. I'd be 100% down. Well, yeah, it's very hard to prevent all the hackers, but it is definitely possible though. No, I mean, it was just annoying, cause like we were trying to play and like we were wondering why the fuck the server was lagging like crazy. But it turns out like those people were like flying and shit, and they're like they had what, kill aura, they had fast mining, they had like fast block placing or whatever, and they were just general assholes. Like in general, they were just actually assholes. But here's the thing, I didn't know about it. I didn't know that's how hacks work. So I didn't ban them until like later on throughout the day. I banned them, and then they came on the server. They had the audacity to come on the server and complain about them being banned. I'm like, really? It's funny too because they were saying that they weren't hacking. So one of my friends actually joined their Discord call, and he literally told me that they were literally screen sharing and they were literally sending links on where to get hacks and shit. Let me find the screenshot real quick. I'll tell you what the client that they were using. Maybe this might not even be a hacked client, but the client is called it's called Worst Client 1.16.1, and the description literally says watch how to install a cheat client. Yeah, what a bunch of fucking losers. So yeah, these guys were literally screen sharing on how to hack, and the guy literally came on the server and said he wasn't hacking, and then his friend came on the server and then said he wasn't hacking but his friend was hacking. So the guy who was blaming his friend was the actual person that was actually hacking, okay, and the actual person that was also hacking was laying that he wasn't. So I mean, I was like, yo, you guys are both banned. So yeah, they were just, I mean, first of all, the guy snitched on his own friend, so there's that. Well, okay, here's the thing. I did say I wanted a 2B 2T server, but I didn't actually declare that it was a 2B 2T server. And the reason why I decided not to do that was because I just saw that everyone was actually playing the game and wanting to actually enjoy the game. And so I was like, okay, if I allow this shit to happen, then the people who want to actually play the game seriously are going to not want to play anymore. And then it's gonna put a bad impression if they're like, there were some people who were playing for the first time too, so obviously I have to set the limit and stuff. But I mean, look, even in 2B 2T, isn't it just like griefing and destroying shit and not using hacks? I mean, I'm sure that people do use hacks, but like you can still do 2B 2T without hacks, right? I mean, I don't know, like I'm not really I haven't played Minecraft for a while. Oh, okay. Oh, is that so? Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, I didn't know that. So yeah, let me rephrase that. I mean, here's the thing though. It's just like, I don't know, man. Like, I never said it was supposed to be a 2. I said initially I wanted it to be, but I never really officially said it. You know what I mean? Obviously, I should have been more clear about that. But still, it's just like, I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know. The guy was. It was so funny too because it was so obvious that him and his friend were using a VPN. And I literally told him like, yeah, you're using a VPN. He was like, and he was very proud to announce that he was using NordVPN. He's like, yes, I'm using a VPN, NordVPN. But yeah, I don't know. It was I don't know. It's just annoying. Nah, they were in the stream. Like they weren't actual like viewers. They were just people who just randomly saw the stream and decided to join. But I mean, yeah, that was I mean, hey, at least they're banned now. You know what's even funnier? You know what's even funnier? One of the two friends that actually got banned, he actually tried to join the server again. He actually tried to join the server again, even though he was banned. Like, he just thought that one day I woke up, I was like, you know what? I feel bad for this guy. Let me just pardon him real quick. Nah, I was keeping him on the ban list for a very long time. Let's do it again. Please do what? Play Minecraft? I mean, the server is still on right now. Like, my Minecraft server is still on. But I think my server needs a little bit more work. What theme am I using on Terminal? It's a custom theme that I built. If you want it, you can watch my video on how to customize your terminal at PowerShell. And then you can go ahead and play around with it. What if I look online for a kind of Minecraft? I mean, you could. I mean, well, I mean, I don't know. I think isn't Minecraft like $30 or something? What do you think about Dart? I think Dart is a good language, but most people use Dart for Flutter. So I think Flutter is good in general. So you can do that. You know, Minecraft, I got Minecraft for $21 actually. I bought Minecraft. Well, actually, you know, here's a funny story. Someone actually bought me Minecraft. It was $21 back in the day, back in the beta. And one of my friends bought it for me. This was back in like 2011. So this was 9 years ago. So 9 years ago. And yeah, the first time I played was it was like I played Classic, Minecraft Classic, and it was a lot of fun in my opinion. Cryo himself, welcome to the stream. I don't know if this is your first time here, but welcome to the stream. Yeah, I don't know why they made like a difference between Bedrock and Pocket Edition. Oh, what's up? Oh, you're Lunix. I didn't know Lunix was you. I recognize the name Lunix, but I didn't know that was you. I'm doing good, man. How are you? Make the server cracked? Nah, I can't make it cracked, unfortunately. If I make it cracked, all the hackers are gonna crawl out of their caves. They're gonna be like, oh my god, there's an offline server? Yo, my time has come. It's free real estate. Dude, all the hackers are gonna crawl out of their mom's basement. They're gonna be like, yo, my time has come. Like, time to use all the fucking hacks in the world. But nah, it's bad because they can actually log in as your account. And they can steal all your shit. You know what I mean? I got a new Express.js book, trying to finish it. Hey, man, that's what's up. Let me know. Well, which book is it? Which book is it? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Well, maybe I'll do a giveaway. Maybe I'll give away Minecraft. Who knows? Maybe someday. I want to do more giveaways. That'd be fun. Well, let me get the name real quick. Express in action, node application with Express and its companion. Oh, okay. Well, let me know how it goes. Like, I hope it works out for you, man. How is Twitch chat doing? LOL. It's pretty dead in Twitch chat. But YouTube chat is more active though. Give away ownership of the Discord server. You know, one of my friends asked me, would I ever sell my Discord server? And he asked me this back in like about a couple months ago. This was when the server was only like at, I think 1,000 members. And I said, nah, I wouldn't sell it even if you gave me 50k. The reason why I said that was because I see the potential growth and the future of the server. And, you know, I feel like that itself is more valuable than the amount of dollars you can ever get in life. The one thing that I would hope that I would never end up becoming is a sellout. That's one thing that I would hope I would never become. And I will do everything that I possibly can to never reach that point. And one thing that I would hope that I would never become is someone who becomes a beggar. You know, I was actually watching a video of a bunch of Twitch streamers being so entitled, and I was like, yo, that's just cringe, man. Like that's just some cringe shit right there. Miss me with that bullshit. Like, I just can't see myself being that type of person, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now we're coding, and then we're doing some we're doing some coding, and we're doing some you know. Can someone help me here with a quick question? What's your question? Do I watch PewDiePie? I do not. His videos are pretty boring to me, if I'm being honest. I mean, look, I've watched some of his old videos. His older videos were more funny. But he like his old videos were pretty funny. But I don't really watch his new videos anymore. But he's doing his own thing now, you know what I mean? Like back then he was following trends and stuff, but now he's doing his own thing, and I respect that. I mean, I might not like his videos, but I respect him as a content creator, and he's, you know, he's doing his thing. So you can't not respect that. But I mean, look, some of his videos are good. Like his new videos I'm talking about. Like his older videos were definitely good. Like it was that one video. Can we reach 1 million dislikes? Can we reach 1 million dislikes or likes? That was pretty funny. That was like back in like 2016 though. Those are good videos. You can't deny that he's definitely, you know, made a lot of good videos, but I mean, unfortunately, he's had his time. Like, you know, he was back in like 2009 to like 2016. He had his glory. And now I think honestly, Mr. Beast, if Mr. Beast continues the way he's going, he's gonna overtake PewDiePie without a doubt. What do you think was the reason for the Doc's ban? Honestly, I don't know. All these Twitter users, all these YouTubers are speculating so much. They keep every single day you hear someone saying about Dr. Disrespect. We know about Dr. Disrespect's ban, but we don't know enough to say it, so we're not gonna say it. I'm like, yo, like, just don't say anything in general if you don't know anything. You know, all you're doing is you're just fucking hyping people up for no reason. It's just so fucking annoying. Like, shut the fuck up and only say it if you want to say it. But if you don't want to say anything, then, you know, don't spark an entire crowd to, you know, it's just annoying. But I think honestly he got banned because why do I think he got banned? I think he probably got banned because he didn't show enough Fuck, what was I gonna say? I forgot. I lost my train of thought. Actually, I don't think I should say this. But you know how Twitch is with their you know how Twitch is. They're very biased. They're very biased towards the people that create on their that stream on their platform. They're very biased people. And yeah, it's so obvious. If you don't think it's obvious, then it is so very obvious. I'm creating a role reaction map, but I ran into a problem. I code the code. Kuak, are you on the Discord server? I can't really answer that question right now. I would have to see some code. But yeah, I would suggest you just ask your question on the server and someone will answer you. But the thing is, Doctor just signed an agreement with Twitch. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, people can speculate and they can create all these crazy theories all they want, but we'll never know until they actually announce it. But I honestly don't even believe most of the shit people say nowadays, is because it's so easy to lie and manipulate the media that people will actually believe everything that they see on YouTube or Twitter or whatever. So even if Dr. Disrespect came out with a statement, I probably wouldn't even fully believe it. That's just my point of view. You know what I mean? Never believe what people say. Do I like math? I do like math. Through a little more than half an hour, got troubleshooted up with Pipfan on PC. Awesome, man. Am I the only one who's active now in chat? Most likely, yeah. I mean, there are other people here too, probably just not talking as much, but I'm also talking on Twitch chat too. Well, yo, we're just chilling, man. We're just chilling. Yo, what's up, Robert Plays? How are you? What's the best host? DigitalOcean, DigitalOcean, DigitalOcean. 100% DigitalOcean. How I open the web as local host? What do you mean? You have to have a server to serve the websites. Honestly, if Linode sponsors me, I'm gonna be so happy. Wait, how does the Linode sponsorship work? Like, do they give you like credit or something? Because if it's just like a $25 credit when someone signs up, that's probably the same thing as like the DigitalOcean thing. Am I self-taught? I mean, depends on your definition of self-taught. Like, normally the definition of self-taught programmer means they did not have any college influence. I went to college and I was pretty much forced to learn how to code because I needed to do that to succeed in my major. So I definitely don't think I am fully self-taught, but I would definitely say that I did spend time on my own to practice and to better my programming skills. And, you know, one can say that's self-taught, but I don't really fully say that's fully self-taught. You know what I mean? What I write on Terminal to open the website? Excuse me. Anson, do I like Adam? Not really. I don't really like Adam. Hey man, do you have mods on stream? I do not. Anson, can you switch the music to chilled cows? I can't because it's probably copyrighted music. I've played lo-fi once on my very first few streams, and I got copyrighted. I got copyrighted a couple days ago, but the stream is private, so I don't really care. The reason I don't play music generally because of copyright issues, and I don't want to ever have to really worry about that kind of stuff, so that's why I just don't play music in general. But yeah, no copyright sounds is the way to go if you want to avoid, like, you'll still get copyrighted, but you can dispute it. But Yeah, I don't want like to worry about DMCA takedowns or shit like that. I'm just here to just chill and make, you know, videos and stuff. What is your opinion on Vim? I like Vim. I think Vim is awesome. I use Vim.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
What's my opinion on a new Discord developer, TOS? Not too much of a fan of it, but I can understand why.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop waiting.
Perp Sage, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's
Do I need mods? I don't really need mods, to be honest with you.
just to
But I would like to have some.
finally feels
I would definitely like to have some. I don't need it, but I would like to have some.
hate all this
And I definitely will be looking for.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers.
Yo, welcome back, Yaddy Bolt. Just like money, yeah, right. Exactly. I gotta figure out this form thing with freaking Formic. This is pretty confusing. Oh. You can mod me on Twitch. If I get stream mods, I probably would want Twitch ones. But yeah, I definitely want to start streaming on Twitch more. So if you guys want, you can feel free to follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna stream on both actually, YouTube and Twitch. But I do want to stream more on Twitch at the same time with YouTube. Like, I'm not gonna stop streaming on YouTube. Like, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna do both YouTube and Twitch. Yo, Michael, what's up, man? Good morning. I have no clue how you manage all this. Some people get all the gifts. Nah. I think, well, I mean, this was just some time from a while ago that I've just spent a lot of time learning all this stuff. It's all trial and error. Like, obviously, I'm struggling right now to figure this out, but, you know, it's gonna take some time to figure it out. What energy drink do I drink? I don't really drink energy drinks anymore. I used to. The last one I drank was a Red Bull. But I don't drink them anymore because they're pretty unhealthy. I usually just drink tea or coffee. But I don't really like Red Bull. I like Arizona tea. Arizona tea's good. Yeah, man, how's it going, Michael? You're doing a better job than I did with my server. I'm like the only developer that doesn't drink coffee like every day. I used to drink coffee like every single day, but I quit coffee to drink tea. And I honestly don't regret it. I actually like tea a lot. I usually make it with I have Chinese tea and I mix it with lemon. It's amazing. That's all I need. I don't need all those other, you know, flavors and stuff. I keep it minimalistic. Oolong? What's oolong? Oolong tea? No, I don't know what that is. Lemon tea? Yeah, it's pretty much lemon tea. I've tried tea with milk. I don't like it. Oolong tea is most people Chinese people. Oh, no, I don't think it's oolong tea. I don't even know what the name of it is. I know it's just my mom bought it for me. And we just have a lot of it, so. Nah, tea is good. Tea's good. Really good. Jasmine tea is also good. Yes, jasmine tea is very good. Very good. It's going good. It's been so you're streaming on Twitch also. Yeah, I'm streaming on Twitch right now too. Streaming on Twitch and I'm streaming on YouTube. I'm Universal, man. Then I'm gonna. Well, Mixer is actually dead now, so there's no need to move to Mixer. You know what? You know what's next? I'm gonna stream on Facebook. I'm gonna stream on Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not actually gonna stream on Facebook. That's like the last place I would ever want to stream my programming adventures on there. You could stream on Periscope. You have Twitter. Oh, I'll stream on Snapchat and Instagram too. I'll make sure I go live in every single social media platform. Don't forget Tencent streaming app. What's Tencent? Is that Tencent? Is that Chinese? Ah. Isn't it the company that owns Riot Games? Tencent? Ah, yeah. You gotta follow me on Twitch, man. I've been streaming. Yo, send me your Twitch, man. Send me your Twitch. I'll follow you right now. We'll do a follow for follow. Go live on a Discord call. Yo, you know what? I wouldn't mind. Look, here's the thing. Look, I wouldn't mind, but I know there's gonna be that one person that's like a huge squeaker that's going to like ear rape the entire fucking microphone, and that's the one thing that I just don't want to encounter at all. All right, I just followed your channel right now. I just followed your channel. That's the one reason why I stay away from open mics. Like open, you know, there's always that one guy. Oh, I mean, I thought you guys meant like an actual like conversation, like everyone talks with each other and stuff. I didn't know if you meant like everyone just gets muted, but there's no point to that because you guys can just hear me on YouTube. Song is okay. I gotta change the playlist because this playlist is pretty bad. I don't know. I'm a very picky person when it comes to music. Let me find a better playlist. NCS releases, NCS dubstep, copyright free music for you, melodic dubstep, NCS house. I'll do NCS top 50. Let's do. Actually, nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do NCS house. All right, there we go. They are supposedly launching a Twitch competitor soon. Yo, if they do that, I honestly wouldn't doubt that it would go big. China's population is huge. They could easily make a competitor. Alright, hi Anderson. Yo, have a good one, man. Thank you so much for checking out the stream. Always appreciated. Hope you have a good one, dude. We need to do a call something where we prank call Domino's Pizza. I used to prank call like a long time ago when I was like a fucking kid. But it was like funny prank calls. Like it wasn't like, you know, anything malicious. It was always like funny prank calls. Like for example, I would prank call like Popeyes, then ask them if they had like a Big Mac there or some shit like that. It was like a funny thing. Like didn't harm anyone. I was like a kid back then, so I had a completely different sense of humor when I was a kid. Yeah, I would call. I don't know if you guys know. There's this place called Wingstop, and they primarily sell wings. And I would call them and I would ask them if they had if they sold like burritos, tacos, and like a bunch of Mexican food, even though they nowhere on the menu has that listed down. Are you old enough to remember Video Compiler from the old YouTube days? What's Video Compiler? I didn't really use YouTube that much back then. I don't know what Video Compiler is though. Maybe if you describe it a little bit more, I might be able to know. I'll be right back real quick. Alright, I'm back. Oh yeah, so I'll tell you about another prank call that I did one time. So my friend and I, we were talking, and we called. I don't know if you guys know Planet Fitness. It's a gym. I don't know if they have Planet Fitness in like outside the U.S. But we called Planet Fitness, and we basically prank called them by asking them what like their gym policy was. And we were just asking, like, I'm sure you guys have heard about the memes of fucking Planet Fitness where they don't let you do, like deadlifts. They don't let you squat or something like that. Like, they don't believe in, squatting or some shit. And, like, they consider it as ego lifting. You're not allowed to wear a tank top. So we would just prank call them and we'd be like, yeah, like, what's, like, the gym policy and stuff. And we would ask them, like, they would not mention the deadlifts part. But then, like, we would ask them the real questions. We would be like, do you guys allow us to do deadlifts? And then they would get super quiet. And then they would, like, say in the most awkward way, no, we don't let you guys do deadlifts. I don't know, it was just pretty funny back then because I don't know, I think it's just stupid, you know, like I don't know why they don't let you guys do deadlifts, but I don't know, they think it's ego lifting, which is pretty dumb. Am I gonna be live later today? I might be on at 5:30 again. Video editor? Hold on, let me see. It's a famous prank caller griefer that griefed ventrilo channels back then when YouTube first started. Oh, no, I don't know that. The only prank call that I used to follow was Onich pranks. That was like way back in like 2011. Yeah. When did I join Twitch? I was on Twitch. I've joined Twitch. I think I don't even know. Is there a way I can check how old my account is on Twitch? Let me see. Let me check. Well, yeah, it was 4 a.m. 3 hours ago if you were here. I dare you to watch a PewDiePie video live. No, I can't do that. I'll probably watch an old video, but Yes, that's the plan.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
You trying to get Twitch affiliate? Maybe. Maybe.
Won't you take me
What's YouTube affiliate? I mean, I'm a YouTube partner already. You become a YouTube partner automatically. Well, not automatically, but you become a YouTube partner when you reach 1K subs. Yeah, I won't be able to stream on YouTube. Nah, fuck that. I honestly, the reason why I want to stream on Twitch is just to promote my YouTube channel. If I'm being honest, I don't really care about Twitch affiliate. Unless if I just streamed on Twitch only and then made YouTube videos, but I find it more fun to stream. Well, it's mostly because I already have a start on my YouTube channel, so it makes sense to, you know, grind that first, then worry about a different, you know, platform. So it's smart to, you know, worry about that, because like, you know, if I'm trying to do both at the same time, you know, it could be a little bit difficult. It's doable, but it'll be even more difficult, you know? I don't mind streaming on both though, but I don't know. I don't really care too much about like these I don't know, I guess right now for me personally, I feel more I feel like, you know, with the YouTube partner, I feel more attached to that because it's obviously the first thing that I've gotten. If it was the other way around, obviously I would say I would be more biased towards Twitch because I was affiliated with Twitch first. That makes sense. But the truth is, you should never invest everything into just one company. You should always be open. Because you never know that. Because one day that company could just ban you instantly out of nowhere. Dr. Disrespect. But yeah. Always have options open. I'm trying to join Live Coders team on Twitch. What is that? What is Live Coders? What is that? I'll check it out. Alright, Vortex, have a good night. Anson, is YT your full-time job? No, it's not. Sometimes I wish it is, but it is not. Maybe not yet. Which teams? Oh, I see. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to figure out how to use Formic. Have you ever used Formic? I'm trying to figure out how to use this. It's giving me so many issues.
Wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Redux form? I've never heard of that.
Tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday.
Yeah, I just realized that right now.
Home to me again. The world is waiting up.
That part itself is not the major issue.
Have a step beyond our door.
Major issue is that I'm trying to make the select button.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I tried Dino autoresponder, but it doesn't auto reply to the keyword when said by other bots.
I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Yeah, this is something that I don't know.
Stockholm lights.
Good things about Formic. It's good. Did I stop working Katana? Kind of. I got busy with other things and I just didn't have enough time to work on. Fuck. Yo, what the hell? Yo, Ellie, thank you so much for subscribing to my Patreon. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. What's Katana? Katana was a Deno-based Discord library that I was working on, and I got pretty far with it, but I didn't get a chance to finish it. I was working on it a little bit, but I haven't really committed the latest changes. What theme am I using? This is a Slack theme. Slack theme dark mode. Do you still work on update Slappy? Well, Slappy right now doesn't need any updates, but if I do need to update, then I will. But at the moment, it's in a good place right now, so yeah, it's pretty good. So I don't really think I need to change anything with it. If I do, then I will. Mike, I'm trying to... So, okay. So this is the design. I'm basically trying to have 3 select boxes, but I want to put them all in the form. Okay, but you can see right over here that when I do handle submit, it's empty. So I'm not sure why it's not mapping it correct. Very, very weird. Why? If I leave it blank, it just throws in errors. Do you know what material? Yes, I do. I've used it all the I use it all the time. Our main website was built using Material Angular. Let me do some Googling.
You came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Yeah, this is pretty annoying.
But this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. Oh, you open up a world behind the stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow.
Do I have any goal for 2020 development?
There's a simple remedy.
Absolutely.
We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call.
Have I looked into the field component? I don't think so. Maybe I gotta use that. See.
It's unconditional. Just make the call.
Well, I'm looking at some examples. They don't seem to be using field, but I can try. My goals in 2020 for development, mostly just to get better. Like it works with inputs just. So I don't know why it would not work with type. It's to override previous CSS. Damn, this is annoying. If I do this. Like select. Let me look into the field. Okay, well this is working, but yo JCD, what's up? All right, whatever. I'm kind of disappointed. This is a field though. I don't want to use a field. I want to use a select. Or maybe it will. Oh, wait. Let me see. I think I have an idea. Because these songs are very common. They're all NCS, so it should be very common. Yeah, I honestly hate that this library doesn't even actually have a form, and I have to use a separate fucking module for the shit. Pretty frustrating. So I gotta figure out how to actually integrate both. Frustrating. What's Babel JavaScript? Babel's a transpiler that can transpile more modern versions of JavaScript down into browser compatible JavaScript. Anyways, okay, so I think I'm gonna get off. It's almost 7:30. I've been streaming for 3.5 hours. But I'm gonna get off. Yo, thank you guys so much for watching the stream. I will be streaming again later today at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, and if you haven't joined the server already, feel free to join the Discord server. Okay, the link is in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next stream.